Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make money online. First, consider freelancing, a fantastic way to leverage your existing skills. You can offer services like writing, graphic design, or web development to clients worldwide. Platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr provide a marketplace to find projects. You set your own hourly rates or project fees, giving you complete control over your income and schedule. Many freelancers earn thousands of dollars monthly. Next, explore creating and selling digital products. If you have specialized knowledge, you can package it into an online course, an ebook, or even a set of templates. Websites like Teachable and Gumroad make it easy to host and sell your creations. Once developed, these products can generate passive income for years, requiring minimal ongoing effort after the initial launch. It's a scalable business model. Another powerful method is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services from other businesses and earning a commission on each sale made through your unique referral link. You can share these links on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. Choose products you genuinely believe in to build credibility with your audience. Commissions can range from 5% to 50% or more per sale. Finally, consider launching an e-commerce store, specifically through dropshipping or print-on-demand. With dropshipping, you sell products without ever touching inventory. The supplier ships directly to your customer. Print-on-demand allows you to create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, and more, with production handled by a third party. Shopify is a popular platform to set up your store quickly, often for less than $30 a month.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.